Who is it? Who is that? Playing like this is dangerous. Stop right now. A short and mysterious tale of the water ghost. From year to year, over the years, there were strangely terrifying weather changes. It must be Mother Nature's turn to destroy humans. The rainfall is heavy this year. In some areas, roads and houses were flooded. In other areas, farms and crops were flooded, losing much yield. Not only that, it also took the lives of many people and animals. Yong is one of the best fishermen in his village, known for his exceptional skills and experience, among others. And the flooding season is typically suitable for them to fish. Brother, how many did you catch? I caught quite a lot. I also caught quite a few. Yong looks like he caught a lot. Yeah, I know, right? We caught a lot more fish than usual this season. This is indeed absolutely amazing. Water is rising, so will the fish. It's nothing special. Shh, don't speak too loudly. You might scare the fish away. Let's continue fishing a bit. And please stop talking. Yong's village was next to the river, but fortunately there was no flooding. There were just simply higher tides. Wow, indeed, there's a lot of fish. The person is singing a beautiful and melodious tune, filling the air with harmonious notes. Yong doesn't usually stay to fish until late, but because he indeed caught a lot of fish that day, he couldn't stop and stayed until night. A little longer. Oh, it's already dark. Let's wrap up and go home. Yeah, let's prepare all of our necessary items and belongings carefully and efficiently and wrap up. All the fellow fishermen who had been out at sea for the entire day finally returned home after a long day. They called Yong to go home as well, but he wanted to stay longer for a while. Brother Yong, why on earth aren't you going home to your family and loved ones? You guys can go first. I'll stay for a bit longer, then I'll go home. Everyone jokingly scared Yong by saying, "The ghost might haunt you, Yong. They say in the rainy season there are ghosts will drag you underwater." Yes, indeed, certainly. Chuckle. I've been fishing for 10 years and nothing has happened. Stop scaring me and go back home. So childish, you guys. But when everyone all of a sudden departed, Yong felt very scared indeed and had strange goosebumps. Damn, what's this strange feeling? I'm getting chills all over. Knock slowly and deliberately with a pause. After a while, there was suddenly a loud and unexpected knocking sound, almost as if someone or something was mysteriously lurking under the boat. Knock, lightly. Who is it? Who is that? Stop messing with me, it's dangerous, stop! Knock, lightly. Whimper quietly, softly. But the boat kept shaking violently. Yong turned white and sat down immediately, clinging onto the boat. Ominous. He saw something almost like a black silhouette from the corner of his eyes, but when he turned to see what it is, it was not there. Whimpering very softly and very quietly in the background, he quickly went on land, prepared his things, and ran home. A soft whimpering sound echoed gently, conveying a sense of longing. Yong did not go fishing for the next few days because he was traumatized from his previous incident. But because this was his job, he went out to fish in fear in the afternoon. That day, Yong did not catch any fish and his mind kept wavering. His friends just asked him why he did not come to fish for the last few days, but he did not dare to tell them as he was very embarrassed. Hey Yong, where exactly were you actually for the past few days? Oh, I stayed out for a bit too long and caught the flu, so I rested at home. So are you perhaps fully recovered now at this point?
Yes, indeed.
Hey, you really do look quite so pale though. I just recently recovered, so how can I look as absolutely bright and vibrant and fresh as normal? That's enough about me, I'm fine. Let's split up and go fishing for a little while longer and see what we can catch. Later in the late hours of the day, that evening time, they slowly and carefully went back ashore, while Yong and Dane followed closely behind, taking their time. As they came near the shore, Dane's boat suddenly started shaking violently, causing Dane to fall into the water. Splash!
Please, help me! Help!
Dean wildly flailed his arms as though he is unable to swim, and shouted loudly for Yong to help.
Please help me! I really, truly need your assistance!
Huh? Dane?
Help! Drowning!
Struggling more intensely?
Yong was a little bit hesitant to help, but he decided without any hesitation to jump into the water to save Dane. He was not even halfway there when something pulled his legs underwater. Yong held his breath deeply and struggled until he escaped. He swam back to the shore quickly but did not see Dane there. Yong was seemingly tirelessly out of breath.
Dane! Dane! The call echoed through the valley, resonating with urgency and a sense of impending action.
He called for Dane and looked around for him, but he was nowhere to be found.
Dane!
At that moment, he saw something like a swollen head with messy black hair coming out of the water and staring at him. It was terrifying. He ran to the others to ask for help. Help! Please, help! I need help urgently! Please, help! Please help me. What's wrong, brother? Why are you so breathless? Someone drowned in the river. Huh, what? Somebody drowned. Let's go to help them immediately. Hurry! All the fishermen searched for Dane, but he was nowhere to be found. Dan! Dan! The call echoed through the valley, a signal of urgency and importance, resonating with those who understood its meaning. 3 days later, Yong and his fishermen friends went fishing as usual, when they saw something strange just floating from afar. Hey look, what is that? Let's definitely go and see and explore more and discover. What is that white floating thing exactly, perhaps? Yong and the fishermen went closer to the thing and saw that it was indeed a rotten floating corpse. That was. Oh my god, it's indeed really Dane's corpse. Come on, please. Quickly, help get his corpse on the shore. They brought Dane's corpse on land with utmost care and respect and called over Dane's mother. As soon as his mother arrived and saw her son's corpse, she burst out crying. "Oh!" crying softly, quietly, gently sobbing while tears fall. "My dear son, you shouldn't have to leave me this way." Crying. "It's indeed such a tragedy." "Yes, it's so tragic and unfortunate." From that day onward, Yong and the fishermen do not dare to stay fishing until late. As soon as it gets dark, they all quickly went back to the shore. Very, very, very ominous indeed.
Evil laugh. Evil laugh!